There are a number of reasons why you might want to duplicate a slide in a PowerPoint presentation. One of the reasons might be perhaps you've got too much text on a single slide and you want to put it onto a second slide, so splitting the data up to make it easier for your audience to read. Alternatively, you may have set up the layout and you want the layout to be exactly the same for your next slide as well. Now, you might think that you can just click on a slide and go Control-C, Control-V, but see how what it just does is grabs the text of the slide that I was positioned on. So instead, what you need to do is you can click on the slide, right-click and choose Duplicate. That duplicates the whole slide rather than copying the data, which doesn't copy some of these formatting attributes across. Now, the other way to do it is through the slide sorter view, which is down in the bottom right-hand corner here. At any point in time, you can use this to duplicate a slide by simply clicking on it, control and drag, so it does an exact duplicate, or you can go and click on the slide, right-click and choose Duplicate Slide. Once you've duplicated the slide, you can double click on it to bring you back to this normal view. And from here, I could go, okay, so on the first slide here, I only want the first bulleted point, so I could take that one out. And on the second one here, I want to take the first bulleted point out. So it just makes it much easier for you to edit from a flow perspective, and just to make it much easier to duplicate elements of your PowerPoint presentation to save you having to redo everything.